Hi, this is Coach Geoffrey Omulo, and today we are going to do a beep test. Beep test is a cardiovascular exercise, and it is a 20-meter dash, and it is used for with athletics and footballers and sports persons, and you are going to enjoy it. Welcome.
Hello guys, so that was beep test, and one thing that you should know, you should try and maintain your speed, especially for sports personnel who are taking in football and volleyball. It's very effective for your footwork, and then it's also very effective for your sprinting capacity in the field. Another thing you should know is that you should maintain your eye focus up, never stare at the ground, because then you'll need to dribble the ball past many players. So chances you don't need to stare down, but then you'll need to have your face up, and then ensure you have your accuracy on speed, and note that you should not be decelerating. Ensure your speed is maintained at maximum, and have a good day.